Hey guys, this is my whole fire alarm collection, smoke alarm collections, bells and whistles, and also all of these. This is from the 1950s to the all the way to 2025. And I'm going to show you all of this. Going to pull all my pull stations. Yes, I decided to fix this one, but it messed up. Probably does not work anymore. This one is my 4093 9236. My 4903 90 4903 90 4903 9426. This one is, oh my gosh, this thing's heavy. This thing is 120 volts. All these are 24 volts, but this one is 120 volts, 60/50 hertz. And there's the model, and here's the model. Let me find the model type. Trying to find it. Stop blurring, camera. Just a second. There. Okay, this is the model of mine. Mine is a 340/10N5 10-inch adaptive bell. And I'm going to give you a ring. This one here, my 49-392-37, my 9425, my 9219, my another one. Both of them are 9219s. And surprising, I have this one. It's very rare, 9221. This one is 4901. 9822. System sensor sync module. Here's my smoke detectors. This one's from this one's from, I think this one's from 2012 with a 1998 horn with a 1994 strobe plate. It used to be 94, 92, 15. Those have the original components. That one has its original component, but it's that part on the top, it's cracked, but I had to glue it. This one, yeah, broken package and I had to fix it. This one I blew it up. I don't know how it worked, how to fix it, but this one still works. This one, and also this one's actually 71 years old. It's from 1954. The people where I go to, and also this is from 1954. Sears smoke detector. I think it's 1977. This one is from, this one's Kidde Sears versus Kidde Family Guard, Kidde Universal, Kidde, and First Alert, and another First Alert. And here's the thing on the back of this big bell. This thing works. I might give you a demo. Here we go. One more demo. And also this thing, I just decided to hook it up. And here we go. This is just a demo test. Wow. This thing's loud. Listen to it. I gave you a fun fact about this bell. This bell here did not even operate and run in 43 something years. Whatever the people at this place, I'm not telling. I tell you this was a school. And also, this, he gave me this. Here's the clapper, or the gong hitter that hits the bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.